Welcome home to the land of off-road madness. If you love giant monster trucks, high-speed dirt buggies, and the craziest vehicle stunts on the planet, then you have found the right place. Prepare yourselves, subscribe, and let's ride.
A 12,000-pound orange monster truck pulls off a massive 30-foot high-flying backflip. "1,500 horsepower heavy mud trucks launch 20 feet into the sky before crashing hard into the deep, wet swamps. A lightweight red buggy attempts a near 90-degree vertical climb up a black dirt mountain, only to flip and tumble all the way back down. Fearless drivers hit the dirt ramps at over 60 miles per hour, launching scrap cars straight into a giant pile of crushed metal.